Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we have a special video for you. We have a what's in the camera bag travel edition. In 3 days I'll be heading off to Thailand and Malaysia, so I thought let's give you guys a breakdown. Hopefully we should get a cinematic video out of it and a vlog at least, and a couple more videos, so make sure you turn on notifications and look out for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video, it really does help. But let's get into it and start with the bag. So this is a Malaysia 15 to 16 inch camera bag. It comes with a modular interior. So today I have it set up like so. You can fix it out any way you want. The reason why I'm doing this way is because I'm carrying also another camera bag. So this was going to fit straight into the bottom. I did it when I went to Bosnia and I was able to carry so much. Because then I could carry this on the day to day instead of carry this around with me everywhere. First and foremost, let's start with the back. It has a laptop section and a smaller section down here where I usually keep my passport and my visa. So those go into the back. Symbols. In the laptop section, I'll be carrying my MacBook Pro. This is the M3 chip, and it also has the 18 gig upgrade to the RAM. So reason why I've done that is because the RAM is the most important thing towards editing, and this is heavily for editing when I'm on the go, so that's why I needed that. Along with the MacBook Pro, I have the iPad Pro. This is the M4 chip. I use this heavily for editing photos. That's the main bulk, and for watching my shows. So now TV, Netflix and everything's going to be getting ran on this. PS, this video is not sponsored by anyone. So these are all my own thoughts and all my own gadgets that I've paid for cash. It's a pretty penny. Okay, that's that section done. I will be carrying my Pencil Pro with me too, but I have no idea where it is right now. So yeah, Apple, if you want to send me another one, let me know, I'll send you the ID. Okay, let's start packing this camera bag. Now, I don't actually remember what brand this is. I just know it's absolutely amazing. It fits so much, like the liter spaces inside is crazy. Okay, so here I'm going to be bringing camera lenses. We'll start with my Canon EF 50mm. So this is a 1.8 aperture, and then my 17 to 85 EFS. So this is another Canon lens. Now the issue I have with this lens, it comes with a 1.6 crop. Otherwise, I would literally just be carrying this lens all by itself if it didn't have the crop. So the aperture on that one isn't as low as my 1.8. So because of that, I'll be carrying the Canon R8 with a 85mm 1.8 as standard. So this is what I'll be walking around with. If I need to change, I'll be putting on more than likely the nifty 50. I want to get some recording done, so this is my main recording lens, but for photos it will definitely be between the 50mm and the 85. Now as you can see, the Canon comes with its trusty strap, so this will be around my neck for the most part. This is my film handle. This won't be on for most of the trip because I really want to keep this camera focused on taking photos. I'll be using my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 for videos mainly. But when I really want to get cinematic, I'll definitely be bringing out the R8. This is a very powerful camera, full frame. The budget on it is quite nice as well. I think currently they're going right now for like 1.3k, so I'll definitely look into that. But like I said, powerhouse, Osmo Pocket 3. So this will be around my neck, so that's not going in the bag, but this is. I'll be carrying my Mini 4 Pro, absolute banger of a drone. Love it. It has an FPV mode that I've been practicing with lately as well, so expect some crazy videos to come from it. I got the Fly More pack, so this does come with the extra batteries and the RC remote too. Perfect. So I used to have DJI Mini 2 and I had the RCM controller with it, so I'd have to connect to my phone to the controller, and that used to take up so much time. Now I literally just turn it on and go lifesaver. Quick pro tip as well, if you do have a drone, get red reflective tape. The reason why I've got this is because it deters seagulls. So anyone who knows, who's traveled abroad and tried to film with them, they will take your drone out. In Porto, I almost lost mine. I might even squeeze the video in, who knows. But yeah, I almost lost mine. So let's pack this nice. So you can see that everything fits inside. Next, with your drone, you have to have ND filters. So this is from Nue. I love this set. It has a CPL and then it's an ND 16 all the way up to 256. Perfect. So harsh sunlight, not a problem. Little bit of shade, good to go. Nice wide range. Also for my camera, I have ND filters too, but I seem to have misplaced them. Those are also from Nue. For my Osmo Pocket 3, I recommend the K&F compact set. So it comes with a CPL filter, an ND filter, and a Pro Mist filter. Absolutely recommend. You need them. Next, mics. So for the trip, I'll be carrying my DJI mic 1 and 2, both mics on the trip with me. So the DJI mic 2 will be set up with my Osmo, good to go straight away. And for any recording that I do with the Canon R8, the sound will be picked up through the mic 1. It just always tends to work out easier for me. I don't have to worry about switching and changing. I literally throw it into the shoe and then I'm good to go. You know what I'm saying? So you get it. So those will fit in there too. On the trip, I won't be getting much chance to get into the gym. So you can see I'm wearing a regular watch right now, but while I'm away, I will be wearing my Apple Watch. So this is the SE 2023 edition. This will be coming along. Actually, I guess it won't be in the bag, so it doesn't need to be in the video. What else is going in the bag though is batteries. So these are my Canon batteries. I have it on a Gree Pro. So this is a dual charger. I do have the original Canon charger, but I use this dual charger because it comes in so handy. So I run a 3 battery setup, so that way I don't ever have to worry about not being able to film. The bread and butter of this trip is going to be my Action 4. This one is going to be getting the POV shots. I'm going to be doing a lot of street photography while I'm there, a lot of landscape photography. I'm going to try and document it. If you haven't watched any of my POV videos before, I'm going to link it up above. Make sure you do check it out. They're quite good, you know. You might learn something too. So who knows? That's going in there. If I do any filming late at night, I do have my flash with me. Cover your eyes. Ah. So this is perfect. This is once again is from Small Rig. Now this has 3 modes. It has bicolors and then it has a sRGB mode. So you can flip through the full color spectrum. So this is an absolute banger. I love using it when I do events and inside like nightclubs. Great shots. Cables. Now these, I do have a bag for these, so I'm gonna throw them inside my newer bag and they will be going into this main section in here, so they can go into that bag. Back to Small Rig. They have the best clamping systems. So this is a super clamp from Ulanzi, W super clamp, and then this is my magic arm from Small Rig. Love it. They get you the best like top-down shots, POV shots. If you wanna throw the camera up in the sky somewhere, that's how you're gonna get the angles. Trust me, real angles. So for my Action 4, I have a set of newer, what do you call these, braces? So one for the head top. I will be wearing my do-rag when I wear this because I don't want it to really mess up my hair. And then full body brace. If I'm not wearing the full body brace, then I will wear this one. So this is actually my main one from Osmo. This is a hanging neck mount. This is the main one I use, and it's inside of my other YouTube videos. This is the one I'm wearing. You can see it just sits nicely, nice and comfortable. There we go. So I'll alternate between the two depending on the scenario. So for example, if I go hiking, I'm not necessarily going to want to use this one while hiking, just in case I'm swinging around. Tripods. I'll be definitely bringing my Ulanzi tripod. So this is the MT16 if I'm correct. Nice, it extends. Corkscrew on the top. Cold shoe on the side so you can fit your light on. And that's perfect. And then this is a flexible tripod, so as you know, you can grip, you can put it in different places. Once again, these are actually really nice for vlogging. So if you want to carry your camera and then just bend it, you get a nice range, and then you can just put it down anywhere you want at any time. I used this one a lot while I was in Bosnia, filming with my Osmo. Last but not least, on the camera side of things is so this monitor cable and the monitor itself for when I'm filming on my Canon R8. So this is a Viltrox DC550 Pro. Absolute banger of a monitor. You can even set up LUTs to go on it. It's really great. And it's nice and on the cheap side. So obviously you can't forget SDs. And you can't forget hard drives. So this is a WD Element 4TB hard drive. And I bought it specifically for this trip to make sure that I wouldn't run out of space. This is a Chroma universal adapter. So it has EU, UK, US, and even Australia. So I don't expect to have any issues over there connecting this. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the video of what's inside of the travel bag. Remember to like and subscribe, it does really help a lot. Yeah, turn on the notifications. I really have some nice videos planned. I'm sitting down and I'm planning everything right now, and I hope you guys enjoy it. See you on the next one.